Hello, and welcome to this channel called Makeup for Everyone. So essentially, a little bit about me and then a little bit about the channel. My name is Alyssa. I am a college student, and every assumption that you make about college students and their finances is true about me. I have no money. The purpose of this channel is to allow people like me, who have no money, to still be able to do makeup that looks and feels good. And so this channel is going to be devoted to makeup and hair tutorials that can be done by someone with little to no makeup experience and with just basic makeup products, nothing fancy. Like, I have foundation and lots of eyeshadows, and that's pretty much what I use for everything. I have like 2 brushes. So basically, what the plan is I'm going to take a character. I'm going to start with Disney characters because those are ones that I've done before, and then I'll branch out probably into musical theater characters. I will take suggestions for characters as well. And what I'm going to do is I'll make a makeup tutorial for that character. I'll do a hair tutorial for the character, and then I'll just do a fun little video of me doing a cover of a song that that character would sing. And if I eventually get into characters that don't sing, then I'm not sure. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. For now, the plan is that I'm going to upload 1 video a week. So it'll be, the first week will be the makeup video, the second week will be the hair video, and the third week will be the cover. Once I kind of get more into it and figure things out, that might change a little bit, but I've already got the first set of videos recorded. I just need to finish editing them. Like I said, this is gonna be makeup for everyone. Makeup that is super easy and doesn't require all kinds of fancy products, so that anyone, like poor college students, can. I look forward to hearing your feedback and hearing what you think and what other characters you think I should do. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to contact me. I'll put all my information below. Next week, we will start with Cinderella.